All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 5 mini winners for the Bill Hull tracksuit. So we'll check the time, December 25th at 9:27 a.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have December 25th at 9:27 a.m. There is the list of our 84 mini entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 5 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Looking for the top 5. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve, Scott, and Dylan. So Steve, Scott, Dylan are our 5 mini winners. So, Steve, you'll have your first pick. I believe it was 15 in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 25th, 9:28 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.